Now everybody sing that shit. Now everybody sing that shit.
I'm Vinny, this is my E92 M3. So far, I just did basic bolt-ons, coilovers, wheels and tires, some aesthetics. Nothing too crazy so far. This thing needs a supercharger, needs some more power for sure. I mean, like, these cars aren't known for putting down a lot of power, especially not torque. They don't put a lot of torque down at all. They're high revving small V8. But it puts all the power that it makes down very well. So it's not necessarily one of those cars that puts down big numbers on paper, but I gotta say it feels very quick. It's gotta be the sound of the V8. It's the V8 sound coming from a German car. It's just something that a lot of people don't expect when they see it coming down the road. Haven't really had any issues with it yet. It's, like I said, it's a really well-built car. They touched upon everything from the factory, and I'm just trying to make it a little bit better. I haven't really run into any issues yet. So I had a bunch of Evos, WRXs, just, you know, a bunch of Japanese stuff. And I wanted something that could do everything well. So it's quick, it looks good, it's classy, you know, you don't look like a boy racer pulling up to dinner, you know, so it's a great all-around car. I plan on keeping this car. I've been through quite a few cars, and this is I think this is the last one for a while. It's probably the best all-around car that you can get for under 40,000.